Okay, next preparation method of haloalkane from alcohol is when alcohol react with PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. So they will produce RCl plus POCl3 plus HCl. Okay, RCl plus POCl3 plus HCl. Okay, so for remembering, you can write can we write PCl5 in this way? Okay, so RCl, HCl and POCl3. Okay, for remembering, you can draw in rough portion. Okay, so this is the reaction. Okay, so example is, suppose C2H5 OH plus PCl5, they will give C2H5Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl. Okay. For this is cyclopentanol. Okay, cyclopentanol plus PCl5. So it will give you Cl. And in place of OH, here Cl is present and plus POCl3 plus HCl. Okay. So this is the third method for preparation of haloalkane. Okay. Only PCl5, because PDR5 does not exist. PI5 is also does not exist. Okay. In P block, you will get the reason of this. Okay. So only PCl5. By this method, we have to prepare only RCl, chloroalkane. Okay. Next is fourth preparation method is D. Okay. ROH plus PX3. Here X is equals to Br or Cl. Okay, not I. So Rx plus H3PO3. Okay, Rx plus H3PO3. Okay, for remembrance, you can write ROH, ROH, ROH. Okay, we will take 3 molecules of alcohol plus P X and X. This is PX3. Okay, so there should be 3 RCl or RBr, 3 Rx we will get, and plus H3PO3. Okay, H3PO3. H3PO3. Okay, its structure is OH, OH, OH. Okay, P में 3 OH अटैच है, तो it becomes H3PO3. Clear? So we will get RCl or RBr by this method. So examples are C3H7OH plus PBr3. Right? Okay. We will get C3H7Br plus 3. You have to balance it. Okay. H3PO3. Okay. This was the fourth method. Okay. By this method, we can prepare RCl or RBr. Okay. Next, fifth process is E. Okay. ROH, when ROH treated with red phosphorus and halogen. Here halogen is I2 or Br2 only. Okay. So ROH heated in presence of red phosphorus and halogen. Halogen that will be the bromine or iodine. So it will form Rx. Okay. It will form Rx. C2H5OH, red phosphorus plus halogen. So C2 in place of halogen, I will assign Br2. Okay. C2H5Br plus side products will be H3PO3. Okay. So next is, and last one from alcohols. So we will react alcohol with F. Okay. ROH plus SOCl2. This is thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride. This is thionyl chloride. Okay. So it will form RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. Okay. HCl in gaseous form and SO2 is also in gaseous state. It will liberate it. Okay. So because this reaction having two gaseous substance side products, so they will expel out, and we will get only haloalkane. Okay. So we have ROH SOCl2. Can we write SOCl2 like in this way? Okay. So RCl, HCl and SO2. Okay. So this is very useful method because it has gaseous side products. Okay. So these are the methods of preparation of haloalkane from alcohols. Okay. Second method of preparation is from hydrocarbons. Okay. Second method is from hydrocarbons. Okay. So in the class of basics, you learn that free radical substitution reaction. Okay. Free radical substitution reaction. In this concern, you studied that when methane react with chlorine in presence of sunlight, it will produce haloalkane. Simple. Plus HCl. Okay. So this reaction having three steps. Initiation, because this will go from free radical substitution reaction. Okay. Free radical substitution reaction. So recall all the concepts. That is in free radical substitution, first step is initiation, then propagation, then termination. So we will get this. Okay. If amount of chlorine is in excess, so this reaction go on like that. CH2, Cl2, again Cl molecule attached to that species. So this will produce chloroform and ultimately we will get CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. This is chloroform. Okay. So ये reaction आपकी उसमें आपने पढ़ेंगे. If we have more than one carbon, in that case, one more example for explain that concept. That is, suppose we have this is butane, okay, and when butane react with chlorine in presence of sunlight, okay, same free radical substitution reactions occur, so we will get mixture of products. Why? Because some of the molecules having substitution at second carbon atom and some having first carbon atom. Okay, so कहीं पर भी substitution हो सकता है, कुछ molecules में first पर, कुछ में second पर. So हमें यहाँ पर haloalkanes का mixture मिलेगा. Okay, so this only depend on the orientation of the molecules at the time of collision. Okay, so we will get the mixture. Okay, second, this is from hydrocarbon में alkanes, है ना? Okay, this is toluene, okay, या methyl benzene, okay, methyl benzene. When we will provide chlorine in toluene in presence of sunlight or ultraviolet light or high temperature, okay, कोई भी एक कंडीशन आप याद रख सकते हैं, सनलाइट, अल्ट्रावायलेट लाइट या हाई टेम्परेचर. Okay, so in presence of this condition, chlorine react with toluene or methyl benzene and it will give CH2Cl. Okay, substitution will occur at that position, not in nucleus. Okay, this is nucleus. Okay, यहाँ नहीं देगा, वो यहाँ देगा, क्योंकि हमने कंडीशन ये प्रोवाइड की है. Remember this thing. This is very important. Okay, if chlorine provided to toluene in such condition, so we will get this compound. This is benzylic chloride और बेंजीन का बेंजाइलिक ग्रुप एंड उस पे क्लोरीन जुड़ा हुआ है. ठीक है, बेंजिल क्लोराइड. क्लियर? If we will provide halogen carrier as catalyst in dark, okay, condition ध्यान रखिए आप, iron or aluminum chloride, these are the halogen carriers. Okay, so in presence of halogen carrier or dark, chlorine react with toluene and it will produce plus. Okay, compare both the conditions seriously. Okay, this is minor product and that was major product. Okay, क्लियर है? यदि हम क्लोरीन को टॉलुइन के साथ रिएक्ट कराते हैं इस कंडीशन पे, सो हमें ये मिलेगा 1 क्लोरो